Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajing dap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Kum shibenta ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot jong kipat ba hakaliang ka rep karyang ka sorkar Israel bat ka sorkar India kila shim ya ka rai bantai ya ka Centers of Excellence ka way hakashnong jongsha ka bahab hapo ka East Khasi Hills District bat ka way pat hadawagri ka badon ha East Garo Hills District. Ya kanila pentip da Menteri Rangba ka sorkar jilla u Konrad K Sangma habaya kren shikilat pathai kubor hadin ka jingelang kabalalong bat u ambassador jong keri Israel u Dr. R. Malka hanong ba shalong harengkat ka jingedon lang jong ki reu shempang negeri Israel bakuntum ya u Dan Alof bat kiwe kibawan kenang syakani keri India bat kumju syakani ka jilla ban penurlong yakani ka project yaka Centers of Excellence ban sabo hapo ka snong jongsha an sa penlet jingmut haga bakentiu ya ki nongrep haga ba penmi kambun ya ki jhur kat ba yaka Centers of Excellence ka ban satay hadawagri an sa kampai kaman ban penmi kambun ya ki so kat kum ka jingye tho jong Menteri Rangba ka sorkar jilla kalamang pisaru hado shiphauk lur tengka ban tay yakini ki artli ki Centers of Excellence hakani ka jilla Meghalaya.
The government of Israel along with the government of India has been putting up Center of Excellences for horticulture and agriculture in different parts of the country. And in Northeast, as of now, there are only 2 that have been set up. In fact, there's only 1, and the second one just recently it has been put up. And the objective is to now expand this and cover more states in the Northeast. So keeping that in mind, we have put up our proposal to the Government of India, to MIDH, to put up 2 Center of Excellences in our state, along with the Israel government and the Government of India. One to be in Jongsha for Center of Excellence for vegetables. This will be in East Khasi Hills. And one in East Garo Hills in Dawagri for Center of Excellence for citrus fruit. This is at an advanced stage. We have been discussing with the Government of India and with the Government of Israel. And we are hopeful that after this meeting and this dialogue that has taken place, that this proposal will move forward and we will be very soon able to complete the entire process. This is very important for us, friends, because we strongly feel that technology plays a very important role in agriculture and horticulture. And keeping in mind the produce that we have in our state, because of the lack of technology and because of the lack of research, we are not able to get maximum benefit and the maximum profitability for our farmers. So we feel that with the support and collaboration with the Israel government, which has been a leader in agriculture, technology in the world, this collaboration will go a long way in ensuring that we are able to help and enhance the productivity and the overall earnings of all of our farmers in our state.
The state of Meghalaya is becoming part of the family of the states that are part of the Indo-Israeli Agriculture Project, which is a very successful project. We have now in this project 29 functioning centers of excellence all over India. In these centers we bring our latest technologies, practices, advanced systems that we use for advanced agriculture and water management. So now we just discussed a very constructive discussion and we are starting the process, of course, with the participants and the cooperation of the government, the federal government of India. And we'll start initiating centers of excellence here in Meghalaya and we're going to bring the best experts from Israel with the latest technologies and to build a tailor-made program for advancing and sharing our practices and experience with the farmers of Meghalaya. The potential here is huge. And what we are trying to do is to see how we can work together on all the value chain and bring added value and shape the competitive advantage of the local farmer in order to make him more profitable, and which is aligned with the vision of Prime Minister Modi of doubling the incomes farmer here in India, which is so much deserved. This will also bring future and hope for the young generation, the precious young generation, which is so promising, because after implementing and adapting advanced technologies, the esteem of farmers will be much higher, as it should be. I can share with you that there are farmers in Israel that are very proud to be engineers and scientists, since we use very advanced technologies, high-tech technology that we use for farming and agriculture. And this is what we want to share here. The relations between Israel and India has been growing rapidly and steadily in the last years.